Hi there, in this video clip I want to talk about how do we know the formula of chemical compounds. I've said in a previous video we often get metals combined with non-metals to form compounds. Examples I've spoken about is sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride, and maybe copper reacts with oxygen to form copper oxide. There's lots of these I could go on, but I just want to give you a simple way of how you know the formula of something. I said in the past that elements found in group 1, lithium, sodium, potassium, for example, they are found in group 1 because they have a valency of 1, and they form ions, lithium 1 plus, I haven't written the 1 but it's the same as Na plus K plus. Chlorine forms an ion of Cl minus, and bromine's the same, Br minus, iodine I minus. So what is the formula therefore of lithium chloride? LiCl, 1 and 1. Or is the formula of sodium iodide, NaI? What's the formula of potassium bromide, KBr? It's neutral, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. The valencies or how many electrons it's going to lose or gain. 1, 1, 1. Let's look at another example now. Let's take oxygen. Oxygen, the ion is the oxide ion, and it's 2 minus. So what is the formula of lithium oxide? LiO, but we know this, that lithium has got a valency of 1, therefore how is it going to have, that is a charge on that, so I'm going to put a 2 there, so that is the formula of lithium oxide. Let's take something like potassium oxide, K2O. Another example, let's take sodium oxide, Na2O. So if these are 1 and oxide group is 2, it's got to be 2 of these to 1 of that. Let's go back and look at something on, say, group 2. Calcium's found in group 2, barium's found in group 2, so 2 plus, 2 plus. Chloride, bromide, iodide, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. What is the formula of calcium chloride? Calcium I know is 2. Chloride is only 1, so therefore the formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. What's the formula of barium bromide? BaBr2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's take the oxides next. What's the formula of oxide? Don't forget it's 2 minus. This time it's 2 to 2, and 2 to 2 cancels each other out. Therefore, calcium oxide has a formula of CaO, and barium oxide has a formula of Ba. Let's take another example. Aluminium. Aluminium is found in group 3, and when it forms cations it's going to be Al3+, so it's Al3+. This is more difficult. What is the formula of aluminium oxide? Well, AlO aluminium oxide. What now? Look at this. That is 2 and that is 3. Al2O3. How did I get at that? The answer is this is 2 and that is 3. And if I balance that equation, it would have been Al plus O2. It would have been 2Al plus 3O2 gives you Al2O3. I'm balancing it now, and it would be Al2O3 is the formula of aluminium oxide. Let's look at another one. Another anion is the sulfate group, SO4 2-, and another one, the carbonate group, CO3 2-. Let's go back to the original one. Group 1, another element, potassium, another one, lithium. We know that this has got a valency. It loses 1 electron, so sodium's +1, potassium's +1, lithium's +1. What is the formula of sodium sulfate? This is 1, that is 2, therefore sodium sulfate needs 2 to balance it up. What's the formula of potassium carbonate? KCO3, but this time that is 1 and that is 2, therefore it needs 2 potassiums to balance it up. What's the formula of lithium sulfate? LiSO4, sulfate is 2, what's that? That needs 2, so it's Li2SO4. Let's do a couple more of these. Barium found in group 2, Ba2+, the sulfate group is 2-. They balance each other out, therefore the formula of barium sulfate calcium is BaSO4. Let's take some more examples. Let's take lithium, sodium, potassium, calcium and barium. I know that that's plus, 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 2 plus, 2 plus. Let's look at the sulfates of these. SO4 2-. This is 1, that is 2, therefore it's going to be Li2SO4. Sodium hydroxide sulfate. Next, Na2SO4. Potassium sulfate, K2SO4. Calcium sulfate, that's 2, it's therefore CaSO4, and barium sulfate, BaSO4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's look at another example. Let's take the hydroxide anion, OH minus, it's 1. What is the formula of lithium hydroxide, LiOH, potassium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, calcium hydroxide? No, that's 2, hydroxide's 1, therefore it's CaOH twice. Barium is BaOH twice, because the barium is 2, the hydroxide's 1. And if I said I got something like copper 2 plus, what is the formula of calcium hydroxide? It would be CuOH twice. Nickel hydroxide, Ni2 plus, hydroxide's 1, so therefore it would be NiOH twice. Copper sulfate, SO4 2 minus, copper's 2, therefore copper 2 sulfate is SO4. Nickel sulfate, nickel's 2, sulfate's 2, so it's NiSO4. Okay, there'll be more of these will crop up during this course, but I've just been through the basis of how do you know the formula. Suppose I said something that you don't know about titanium chloride. Titanium has got a valency of 2. The formula for its chloride would be TiCl2. Its sulfate, if titanium's 2, it's TiSO4. And its carbonate would be TiCO3. I'll be telling you more of these formulas in a later video.